82. That is our current points leader, Chad Smith. As the Bargain Hunter Sportsmen are getting ready to wind them up, car corner pace car ducks on down. We are going racing this time around. As they're going to wind them up, green flag, and we're racing. Whoa, Robinson and Ware making contact right off the bat, but we have no yellow. I think Featherston and Smith thought there was going to be a yellow. We are racing.
Yeah, exchanging a little orange paint, and then 36 and then 99 count. Johnny Robinson is second in the 99 out front. Howie Ware third. Josh Thiering in the 11 is third. The 29, the mailman, he's going to try and deliver the 29 machine. 82 of Chad Smith, your points leader, and rounding it off, the 78 of John Featherston.
Yeah, definitely an interesting start on that race. As two drivers thought it was under caution, and the rest of them were going racing. As they're coming around, we are halfway through this time around. It's Robinson, Ware, Thiering, Terrence Robinson to the inside. Mailman having a little bit of trouble in that 29 car off the pace as he is dropping to the back of the race here. Chad Smith moving up to fourth place. Featherston into fifth. Terrence Robinson will take it off into the pits as we have 2 to go in this race with Robinson and Ware battling for this lead. Coming around, white flag this time around. If you got Robinson, your guy's leading. If you got Ware, your guy might be winning here. We're going to find out this time around with 1 to go. This is the last lap. Who's it going to be for the win? Here comes Ware looking to the inside. Maybe not. He's going to stay behind. It's going to be Johnny Robinson the second, followed by Howie Ware. Josh Thiering for third, Chad Smith for fourth. Rounding out the field, John Featherston fifth, and the car that didn't finish the race, Terrence Robinson in the 29 car had some car trouble, left the race.
Hey, just a heads up, kids. This is the last call for the deposit of your tickets for the bike giveaway. Last call for the deposit of your tickets for the bike giveaway. It's underneath the grandstand. They're going to be closing it quite soon, so make sure you get your tickets to the bike giveaway stand underneath the grandstand right now.
And Eric, we're going to do the bike races following the Sixer heats.
Are you going to pedal?
You know, I don't. The last time I owned a bike, I think I have a weight problem with those bikes, and I don't know if they have.
Well, you saw that J.J. Watt out in Lambeau.